Hello again, this is Mr. OK, and we're back with another math strategy. It is called 50% Dutch algorithm, 50% Mr. OK style. So, we're going to subtract with regrouping, but this time we're going to do it with zeros. So, I'm going to solve 700 minus 289. I'm going to create my hundreds chart. This is my hundreds, this is my tens, and this is my ones. And so, 700, there are 700s. There aren't any tens, so I put a 0 under the tens, and there aren't any ones, so I put a 0 under the ones. And then there's 289. So since there are 200s, I put 200 under the hundreds chart. There's 8 tens, so 8 tens equals 80. And then there are 9 ones, and then I place my 9 there, and I begin to subtract. What's interesting about this problem is 9 can't be taken away from 0, 80 can't be taken away from 0, but here 200 can be taken away from 100. So instead of moving from right to left, as we would normally do, I'm going to move from left to right. So I'm going to start with the hundreds. So here, 700, it's a big hefty number. I'm going to regroup 100 back to the tens. So since I'm taking away 100, this turns to 200, 600. And since this is 600, the 100 that I've taken away moves over to the tens spot. And here, 80 can take away from 100. But if I look at the ones, 9 still cannot be taken away from the 0. So what I'm going to do is regroup from the tens to the ones. So I'm going to actually change this 100, and I'm going to make it a 90 because I need 10 from it. And this 90 will give me the 10 that I need. This 100 will give me the 10 that I need for the ones place. So the 10 moved from the tens place to the ones, so that's giving me 10 ones. So now I'm going to double check to make sure my subtraction is possible. So 10 minus 9 is possible, 90 minus 80 is possible, and 600 minus 200 is possible. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 90 minus 80 is 10, 600 minus 200 is 400, and what I'm going to do is combine 400, 10, and 1. So 400 plus 10 plus 1 equals 411. And that is how you subtract with regrouping with zeros using 50% Dutch algorithm, 50% Mr. OK style. Thank you for watching.